Hey guys, Loud Max One here with the Preador engine, the 212cc. Well, I've just put oil in it and just got a little bit of gas in there, probably 2 minutes worth, 3 minutes worth, I suppose. And I'm gonna put the fuel on, the choke on. Let's see, give it a little bit of gas. Let's say halfway throttle. Turn it on, and then she's ready to pull over. This is the first start of this engine. Obviously, hands on the muffler. First start ever. Just got it out of the box today. Okay, and just filled it up full of oil. And so she's good on that. I pulled it over a couple times already to make sure oil was in there. And so yeah, I'm gonna put you down for a second. Oh, sorry. Just a second. There we go. Alright. Alright guys, so first pull on a brand new engine so that's pretty awesome. First pull like